Hello guys, okay, so now I just tried to make it a bit more bulky. You'll notice that with this example we'll need quite a bit of space compared to what we had before, but all the same, let's just try and apply it. So as usual, we want to find the f of x plus delta x, which means wherever we have x, we input delta x squared plus 2. We input it like this, and then we expand and simplify. Okay, that's for the first part. Okay, and that's the last part. So we take like terms. This is going to be fun. These are no like terms. So we're going to have to input the whole thing. Now inputting it into our formula, which I'm going to just grab here for the sake of time. Okay, use a different color. Okay, so our f of x plus delta is this one. I'm going to put that there. You have to be careful when the question gets longer like this, because it's very easy to make mistakes by forgetting something or changing something. Minus, what is our f of x that we began with? X squared plus 2x. Now that we've got more than one term, we have to now place it in brackets. Divided by delta x. Taking everything outside the brackets, like we did before. Copy that. We end up with this. Except that this time around, this is going to be like that. Okay, just had to shift that to the left a bit. And when we look for what's common here, we see that this and this are going to go away. This and this are going to go away, and essentially what we're going to be left with okay, which if I split it out, okay, and we proceed with our division. In essence, we're left with 2x plus delta x plus 2. And like we said before, we need this to approach 0. So there's only one delta x to approach 0. So our answer will be 2x plus 2. So meaning that if our f of x is x squared plus 2x, then the gradient function is 2x plus 2. Now, you may not see a pattern right now, but let me just show it to you in the next video as to how we come up with the pattern.